What if consciousness, that elusive, intangible aspect of our being, could be better understood through the lens of language? Indeed, the role of language in expressing and interpreting our thoughts and emotions, our very consciousness, is central to the theory put forth by Professor Duan. At the heart of this exploration is the concept of bidirectional understanding in language, a process that goes beyond the mere decoding of words and sentences, delving into the deeper realms of context, emotions, and implied intent. Professor Duan, a distinguished scholar at the Hainan University's School of Computer Science and Technology, presents a compelling theory: the bidirectional understanding of language as a mirror to the nature of consciousness. This understanding encompasses interpreting the language of others and expressing our own thoughts and emotions. It's a dynamic process, requiring constant adjustment for effective communication. The depth of language understanding, according to Professor Duan's theory, directly correlates with the complexity and multidimensionality of consciousness. Language, in this sense, doesn't merely convey information, but also unravels the speaker's intent, emotional state, and cultural backdrop. In the realm of language understanding, Professor Duan presents 4 distinct layers. First, the foundational level, where understanding involves the structure of words and sentences. This reflects basic cognitive abilities and is a fundamental expression of consciousness. Next, we encounter the situational level. Here, understanding extends to the context and background of the language, involving knowledge of culture, history, and societal nuances. This level hints at a deeper consciousness and complex thought processes. On the emotional plane, understanding involves capturing and responding to the emotions embedded in language, shedding light on emotional intelligence and social understanding. The final layer, the intent level, involves understanding the speaker's purpose, a sophisticated form of language comprehension that goes beyond literal meanings to analyze the speaker's intent, motives, and psychological state. Professor Duan's theory posits that bidirectional understanding of language is not merely a communication skill, but a comprehensive reflection of consciousness. With effective language understanding, individuals can better adapt to their environment, express their thoughts and feelings, and understand and empathize with others. This ability, central to human social interaction and coexistence, reflects the complexity and diversity of human consciousness. In an attempt to mathematically model the relationship between bidirectional understanding of language and consciousness, Professor Duan introduces a mathematical framework, translating these abstract concepts into a series of mapping functions. Although a simplified representation, this mathematical model provides a way to describe bidirectional understanding of language and consciousness, allowing us to delve deeper into their interaction and influence. In conclusion, language, as an expression of consciousness, reveals the multidimensionality and complexity of consciousness through its bidirectional understanding. This understanding permeates not just the surface meaning of language, but seeps into the individual's thinking, emotions, and social interactions. In a digitized and globalized era, a deeper understanding of bidirectional language comprehension becomes crucial for enhancing communication efficiency, fostering mutual understanding, and promoting social harmony. Through this deep understanding of language, we can reveal and understand the nature of consciousness, providing a richer and more profound perspective for human communication and interaction. The theory proposed by Professor Duan, with its insightful exploration of language and consciousness, presents a thought-provoking perspective on how we understand ourselves and the world around us. So the next time you engage in a conversation, remember, you're not just exchanging words, you're navigating the complex landscape of consciousness.